Welcome to Minnesota, the land of 10,000 plus lakes,
hot dish,
and you betchas. For the next 10 weeks,
we'll be exploring A-frames, cabins, hotels,
to bring you guys the 10 most epic stays throughout the entire state. And this week, we're headed to Pequot Lakes, Minnesota. This small town is located in the Brainerd Lakes area, and it's actually only just a few miles up the road from where we stayed last week. Cabin Au Nord is one of the newest rental properties in the entire state, and we're actually the second people to ever stay here, which is why over the next 3 nights, we're super excited to be showcasing this cabin as our number 5 stay. Not only that, but we'll of course be showing you guys some of the best things to do in the area. First things first, we have to go check in. This one's brand new, so I have to make sure to clean my feet off. Oh my gosh, it even smells new.
It does smell new.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Oh, it is so pretty.
Oh my gosh, how cozy is this?
And it even has another fireplace.
My favorite thing in the world, personalized notes. I love them. I think they're such a sweet, thoughtful touch. What did you say? I didn't even hear you.
It even has a fireplace.
I know.
That's so cute.
We're gonna unpack. We'll of course show you guys a full tour tomorrow, and we're just gonna enjoy it to ourselves for tonight.
And relax.
See you guys tomorrow. Before we give you guys a full cabin tour, there's one place we want to go.
We have to feed Tyler or else I get hangry.
This place was actually recommended to us by last week's stay also, but it's technically in Pequot Lakes, not Nisswa, so we saved it for this week. We've made our way to MN Traders, and apparently they're known for their incredible brunch boards. It looks absolutely amazing. Can't wait to dive in. I honestly don't even know where to start. Gotta go with the avocado toast. It's the pepper on it.
Ooh.
So good.
Is it?
You have to do this when you're in Pequot Lakes. For sure.
How was it different?
It's so good, but way more filling than I thought it was gonna be. I told Tyler at the beginning, I'm like, oh yeah, I can eat this whole thing, like no problem. No, it's huge. Now before we actually head back to show you guys the cabin, we figured since we're in downtown Pequot Lakes, we might as well explore a little bit.
It doesn't look like it's very long, so we'll see how long it takes us.
Turns out most places downtown were closed, but we did manage to see their awesome Bobber Water Tower and this gigantic log chair in, you guessed it, Bobber Park.
That's so hard.
Oh my god, you look tiny. Oh my gosh. Before heading back to our cabin for the week, it's time for our cabin tour. Welcome to Cabin Au Nord. First stop on the tour is technically the second bedroom because it's not really the main bedroom. Got this beautiful space, super fun mural that's actually been done by a local artist. And moving on, in the first hallway we come to the kitchen, which I want to mention is not totally done yet. They had like a really nice oven and hood.
Yep.
That was put on back order, so it'll look even better when you guys come. They have a hidden fridge, which is super fun. Freezer, toaster, coffee, tea stuff, stove, sink. Everything is super beautiful. It's the same green color that I love, and everything's just so nice and neat and modern. It's that very like, what's that one lady's brand? Like Magnolia? Yeah. It's like very much like that. So everything is just super nice and pretty and cozy. Moving on to the bathroom. This is also downstairs. It's very bright. They've got everything you need right here in this cabinet. Nice shower, sink, toilet, tons of towels that are super fluffy. The shampoo and conditioner and body wash smell fantastic. It's some of the best ones we've had during the series. And next stop is the living room. Welcome to one of my favorite places in the cabin. This is the beautiful, huge window living room, chill space, hangout zone, whatever you want to call it. They've got a really nice fireplace. The exact radio that I have on my wish list for Target. A really nice dining table with a record player, guest book with a Polaroid camera, which is super fun. We still have to put our names in there.
Oh yeah.
Back behind me, I don't know if you can see it, but the cabin actually overlooks Sibley Lake, which is supposedly really known for fishing. Hint, hint for tomorrow. Probably looked like I just had a stroke.
Hint, hint.
Hint. So we may or may not be showing you guys a little bit more of that tomorrow. Yeah, should we head upstairs?
Yeah.
All right. I just want to reiterate the incredible windows. They're just so beautiful. Anyways. Welcome to the main bedroom. We've got awesome little workspace over here, desk, chair for hanging out. Again, beautiful windows and the nice master bedroom. From what we've heard, you can see a lot of wildlife here. They've seen deer, foxes, owls. So we're keeping our eyes out, keeping our fingers crossed that hopefully we'll see some while we're here. Now, I'll be honest, we really don't have too much else on our agenda for today. We're really planning to just chill out, enjoy our time here. I thought it'd be the perfect time to do something that I bought on our first trip in this series. The puzzle. We're gonna see if we can beat last week's time.
I do want to say though, these puzzles usually are not how they look on the box, so they are trickier.
That's why I love this brand actually, Something Amiss. Tyler hates them, I love them. Because usually they're like, mix it up and it's not the picture on the box, like Tyler said. Are you ready, Tyler?
I'm ready.
We're gonna turn Harry Styles on. Oh, so bright yellow.
It's yellow.
I love yellow.
We did it! How many hours?
Exactly 1 hour, 55 minutes.
So we beat our record.
We beat it. The puzzle's adorable. I'll show you guys. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
This is our puzzle. So many cute doggos. Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
Are you sure?
Not at first. It was very frustrating. It was so hard, but then it got more fun.
Now pizza and movie night?
Yeah. Or spaghetti.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pizza place, but they have really good spaghetti, it says, so. It's a hard one.
We've got our gigantic portions of spaghetti. Tyler and I split one, and this is half. It's from Tasty Pizza, but we got spaghetti. It's only like 2 miles down the road. So we're gonna have spaghetti and movie night. After having a very relaxing morning with some oatmeal and yoga, we decided that our fun activity for today is going to be going ice fishing. Now, Tyler and I have been ice fishing a bunch before, and fun fact, the first time Tyler took me ice fishing, it was -60 outside. Luckily, today is much better. It's about 40 degrees and the sun is shining, so we're gonna keep our fingers crossed for some fishies and see what we find.
Are you gonna go first?
Nope.
I got a lot more weight.
Yeah, I know. Good luck.
Thanks.
There's a crack in the ice. I know that I'm probably fine walking out on the ice, but I still always get so nervous. Do you get nervous when you go out on the ice?
When it's 40 degrees a little bit. This is an auger, so it'll get us through the hole.
Why are you coming close to me? I was backing up. Stop it. How thick is the ice?
Probably like 10 inches.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. So this is a Vexlar. This will tell you where the bottom is and then where your lure is. And it'll also tell you if a fish comes on the screen.
Basically fishing cheating.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna bait my hook with some waxies.
What are waxies?
I don't know.
For all the people that don't know.
Some sort of worm, because I honestly don't even know.
Some sort of like larva.
Yeah.
Yum. We just know the fishies like them.
Yeah.
So, fun fact, Patricia, who owns Cabin Au Nord that we're staying at, used to own a boutique retail store, and it's where this hat came from. It's one of my favorite hats, so random fun fact of the day, I guess, while we wait for some fishies.
He came off the bottom and then went back.
Get him, Tyler, grit him. You have one?
I got one.
What? That took like 3 minutes.
Yeah. It's a birch.
Oh, a cutie!
A little one.
Hi, fishy.
He says hi.
Okay, we'll put you back in the water. Don't want you out too long. Bye-bye. And after spending a few more hours out on the lake, catching, releasing, and even missing some perch,
Oh, I missed him.
and even having a random dog join us, we decided it was time to head home.
We're packing it up for the day.
You're giving up?
I'm giving up.
Now for lunch?
Yep.
All right, Chef Tyler, what's for lunch?
Ramen. Shin ramen.
Yo,
Only kind of ramen.
the best kind of ramen. We decided to play our weekly competition of who buys, or in tonight's case, makes dinner.
We don't feel like going into town, so we're making dinner here.
We love the cabin too much to go into town.
I'm gonna beat her.
We'll see, we'll see.
That's a good hand.
I'm just gonna show you guys my hand.
I think she's cheating.
And there's a 5 right there.
Cheater. Was it right crew?
Yeah. No, it's my crew.
It is?
Yeah,
Okay, 2.
because I put a specific one. 25.
No!
Yes!
Good game. You skunked me.
I beat him so good.
Yeah, one hand was 28 points.
That was fun. Cribbage is fun when you win.
Now when you lose.
Good game.
Good game.
What time is it, Tyler?
S'more time.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, it's our last night here at Cabin Au Nord. We just wanted to say if you've enjoyed this series so far, make sure to like this video, subscribe.
And we got 5 more exciting weeks left.
That's insane. We're halfway through. That's crazy. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.